Hey, love it, love it, love it, love it. Hey, it's the first day of Kwanzaa. And so I'm reaching out to you with a Kwanzaa message, right? And the first day is about unity. So I'm trying to reach out to all of the men and encourage you to do some more with other men, have a conversation around health with them. You know, we're big scary cats, right? we want to be honest with ourselves, but we're really big scary cats. When we hear some prognosis or diagnosis, we want to tuck our tails and run. We're different than women. They go to the doctor. That's the reason why we die faster than they do, because we don't want to hear the bad news. And so here's the good news today. It's the first day of Kwanzaa. And so we get a chance to build some unity. And so I'm reaching out to you. And if you don't want to hear this conversation, you know, there's other people doing conversations and talking, and you're welcome to listen to them. I know that you can find other things, but I hope this resonates with you. What I really hope is that I'm reaching at least one person today. At least one person will listen and do something different. That you kind of are where I was at some point in my life when things were really getting me down, when I really wasn't accomplishing at the level that I wanted to accomplish. And I was blaming everybody else, and really, rather than looking at myself and saying, well, did you really put everything in, or are you just trying to skate by because you think you're owed that, or you think that people are taking advantage of you? So here's the deal. Today, first day of Kwanzaa, you are your own rescue. Don't leave that up to nobody else. You and I, people like you and I do stuff like this. We come clean with ourselves. We start to really take a look. And you don't have to do it all at one time, right? Inch by inch, anything's a cinch, by the yard is hard. So here's what I'm really saying is that incrementally put little bitty steps together to get your direction together. Get away from those situations that cause you problems. I'll give you a prime example. I went to the store yesterday, and as soon as I walked to the store, they have all of the cookies, candies, cakes, popcorn, potato chips, all that stuff that just calls my name, right? And it was difficult for me to walk away from Oreos and potato chips. I don't know about you, but them Oreos and potato chips started to call my name. Man, I had to almost run up out of the store. And you saying, well, it was Christmas. What store did you go to? I went to Walgreens because I was looking for some candles because I didn't get myself together for Kwanzaa, because there's 7 days of Kwanzaa. And I forgot to get my Kwanzaa candles because I burned them all up. So I went looking for candles yesterday, and Walgreens was the only place that was open. And I went in there, and lo and behold, they had all of this Christmas stuff and all of this cookies and cakes and candies. And I almost had to run out of the store to get away from that stuff. But that's what I'm trying to tell you. Get away from people and places and things that cause you to do some stuff that tempt you, right? I call those the tempters. You got to get away from that stuff, because otherwise, man, it'll take advantage of you. You'll fool around and be tied up eating some cookies, cakes, and candies. And I know yesterday many of y'all just kind of pigged out, right? Because when I was in a different situation, man, I would actually eat till I fell asleep, and then go back and eat some more. And so now, because I got a different perspective, because I want to live longer, and I'm staying away from people too, right? I'm not trying to do this COVID thing. I do not plan on allowing a COVID, this new virus, to take advantage of me. I'm going to do everything I can to take care of myself. And I would encourage you to do the same thing. You think it's a hoax, man. We just lost one of our friends. Had compromised health, immune systems, went into the hospital, got on a respirator. 2 days later, man, gone, checked out. You better get serious about this stuff. If you really want to be around here, you need to get serious. Change the way you eat, change the way you sleep, change your friends. If they're going in a different direction, if they want you to be a part of stuff that ain't good for you, tell them, look, it's not that I don't like you. You just not good for me. Your direction ain't the direction that I want to go. So the message for today is take better care of yourself, right? Going into the new year, make some different decisions, eat a little bit different, sleep a little bit different, associate a little bit different. Hey, it's the Ageless guy, you know, the one that you are calling the Godfather of ageless health, wellness, and healing. If you want a deeper dive, if you want to come along with me in terms of the ageless workout for men only, or ageless workout, or anything that we're doing, this mindset, this mental toughness stuff at 67 years young and reaching into 100, you should join me, right? Take a look at the site, www.agelessworkout.com. You can get a hold of me at the nowgroupfitness@gmail.com. We're putting together some exciting things. We're going to do this rites of passage program for children, but also for men and women. Yeah, we need to really take a step back and go back to the basics. So we want to take you through that program. We got some transformation stuff going on. You don't have to wait until the first of the year, all of your resolutions and all that stuff. Let's jump in. Let's take a dive right now. Dive before you're ready. It's Nate from the Ageless Workout, your guy, you know, the Godfather of Health, Wellness, and Healing. Let me hear from you.